really just like my lessons the most.
Since we're a small department, I would say come willing to do whatever you're asked to do as far as shows, consecutively shows, groups, ensembles. We use vocalists, instrumentalists. You use a lot here because it's such a small department.
I am a double major in music as a music generalist and theater performance. Try to rehearse with myself, at least. I try to dedicate 3 hours of my week to it. But as to formally rehearse with other people, not that much, because it's mostly a do-it-yourself sort of thing. So. Where you prepare songs throughout the year, and then you have to sign up for a time, and then basically present the song in front of the class. Yeah, the teachers are great. All the students are fantastic. So.
It's very barbershop right there, isn't it? Yeah. Whenever you have a repeat of text.